Is your money trapped because you can't Venmo a friend overseas, or do you work internationally and can't use it to get paid? If you've ever tried to use Venmo outside the United States, you know the frustrating answer: it simply doesn't work. As a US-centric platform tied to US bank accounts and phone numbers, it's not built for the global economy. This is a massive headache for travelers, remote workers, and anyone with family abroad. So, what are the best, most direct alternatives if you need to move money across borders? I'm going to share 3 top options I've personally used, each designed for international transfers. 1. Wise, formerly TransferWise. For me, Wise is the closest thing to a Venmo for the world. It's my go-to for low-cost, transparent international transfers. The key difference: Wise uses the real, mid-market exchange rate, the one you see on Google, and charges a tiny, upfront percentage fee. This means no hidden markups in the exchange rate, which is where most traditional banks and services get you. Why I use it: it's fast, often instant, or within a few hours, to many countries. They also offer a multi-currency account, which allows you to hold and manage money in over 40 currencies and even get local bank details for countries like the UK, Eurozone, and Australia. This makes getting paid in a foreign currency feel like a local transfer. 2. PayPal/Sum. Since Venmo is owned by PayPal, this is the logical next step. PayPal itself does support international money transfers to over 200 countries. The key difference: PayPal is great because of its massive user base. Almost everyone has an account. However, you need to be aware of the fees. While sending money to friends domestically is free, international transfers usually involve a percentage-based transaction fee and a currency conversion markup that is often higher than Wise. Why I use it: I use it for one main thing: its simplicity and universal acceptance, especially when I'm dealing with online purchases or paying someone who only uses PayPal. For dedicated international transfers, though, look at its specialized service, Sum. Sum is also a PayPal company, designed specifically for speed and flexible receiving options, like cash pickup in some countries, which PayPal proper often can't do. 3. Remitly. If your priority is sending remittances, money to family or loved ones in developing countries, Remitly is a strong contender. The key difference: Remitly focuses on high-traffic corridors like the US to Mexico, India, or the Philippines. It often offers 2 transfer speeds: a cheaper economy option that takes a few days, and a slightly more expensive express option that can be instant. They also have various payout methods, including bank deposit, cash pickup, and mobile wallet, depending on the destination. Why I use it: I appreciate their transparency and focus on customer support for the specific countries they serve. If my recipient doesn't have a traditional bank account and needs a cash pickup, Remitly is often the most reliable way to make that happen. Ultimately, Venmo is fantastic for splitting a dinner bill in the US, but it's a non-starter internationally. For me, Wise handles the day-to-day international transactions with the best rates, while PayPal is there for global marketplace payments, and Remitly shines for remittances with flexible pickup options. You might need all 3, depending on who you're sending money to and where they are. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.